Did you know that businesses in the US will likely spend more than $400 billion every year on digital marketing by 2028? Yet many marketers say they struggle to prove their campaigns' return on investment, and more than 1/3 of them say they don't even measure it. Imagine being the marketer who not only drives real growth, but can clearly show the numbers behind the success. If this sounds like a good career fit for you, you'll be happy to know that demand remains strong for digital marketers with the right skills. And if you want to make an impact in marketing, stick with me. I'm going to share a clear roadmap to help you become a digital marketing pro from scratch. Ever wonder why some brands explode in growth while others barely get noticed? Digital marketing is the backbone of modern business growth. And as companies shift more of their budgets online, the ability to market well digitally is no longer optional. It's absolutely critical. Sound like a good field for your career? You'll be glad to know that job growth is strong, with roles in the industry anticipated to grow at above average rates through 2034. Demand is especially high for marketers who don't just create content, they can also interpret performance, pivot campaigns, and show measurable ROI. That's your opportunity. If you're curious, creative, and eager to learn, digital marketing offers a unique chance to blend strategy, analytics, and storytelling into a career that really matters. In this video, you'll follow a clear 4-phase roadmap. Master the fundamentals, get hands-on with tools and platforms, specialize in high-impact areas, build a portfolio that catches attention. Each phase builds on the last, so you gain confidence, real skills, and a competitive edge. Let's begin the journey and turn your marketing ambitions into impact. Phase 1, build a solid foundation. Before you can shape and strategize or launch campaigns, it's crucial to understand the core of how marketing works online. This phase gives you the foundation for everything else. It helps to start with the basics. Learn about marketing fundamentals like the buyer's journey, sales funnels, and brand positioning. These are elements that allow you to connect authentically with audiences. Connecting with your audience is one of the guiding principles in digital marketing. Connecting content that resonates and provides value to the audience is another. Content marketing essentials like compelling storytelling, eye-catching videos, and messages that engage and convert are vital to successful performance. Additionally, you'll need to get comfortable with key performance metrics such as click-through rates, conversion rates, and customer acquisition cost. Knowing these helps you see what's working and what isn't to improve campaigns along the way. You'll find plenty of free and paid resources available, including Google's Digital Garage and Coursera marketing courses to make these concepts easy to grasp and apply. Phase 2, master core platforms and tools. After you've grasped the fundamentals, the next step is learning the tools and platforms that bring your marketing ideas to life. After all, digital marketing is powered by technology, and knowing how to use these tools make your work more effective, more efficient, and easier to measure. Think of them as your digital toolbox. SEO tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush help you optimize websites, track performance, and understand what's driving traffic. Advertising platforms such as Google Ads and Facebook Ads Manager let you design paid campaigns that reach the right audience at the right time. And digital social media management tools like Hootsuite and Buffer keep your posting consistent while giving you insights into engagement and growth. Imagine you're running your first campaign. You might use Google Ads to test 2 different headlines, track which one gets more clicks in analytics, and then adjust your social posts in Buffer to match the winning message. Suddenly, you're not just learning concepts, you're seeing real results. This is the phase where theory becomes practice and you start to understand how marketing truly works in action. Phase 3, specialize in high-impact areas. Once you're comfortable with the basics and core tools, it's time to find your niche, the areas of digital marketing where you can develop deep expertise and deliver the most value. Specialization helps you stand out in a crowded field and positions you for advanced roles and better pay. Whether it's mastering email marketing to nurture customer loyalty, crafting engaging content that drives brand awareness, or diving into data analytics to fine-tune campaigns and predict trends, specialization lets you focus your skills and passions. This phase is where your creativity and strategic thinking really take center stage. High-impact areas to consider specializing in include email, content, and social media marketing. With the advent of AI reshaping the industry, honing your technological know-how and understanding how to apply it to digital marketing can make you stand out. You might start by becoming familiar with AI and using it as a tool to increase personalization. Also, consider working with data. Marketing analytics can help deliver personalized experiences and optimize campaigns. Use automation to streamline workflows and create scalable digital campaigns. Phase 4, showcase your skills and launch your career. Finally, it's time to put everything you've learned into action and prove your value to employers or clients. Building a strong portfolio is key to demonstrating your practical skills and real-world results beyond just certifications in theory. By demonstrating your ability to manage campaigns, analyze outcomes, and contribute to business growth, you'll open doors to job offers and freelance opportunities. In addition, networking and personal branding bring your expertise to the right audience. Sharing your insights on LinkedIn, engaging with marketing communities, and contributing to projects lets you gain visibility, learn from others, and find mentors. To build your portfolio and launch your career, start a blog or digital portfolio to document marketing projects and case studies. Volunteer your skills to nonprofits, startups, or local businesses to gain real experience. Leverage social platforms like LinkedIn for networking and showcasing your knowledge. Digital marketing is where creativity meets data and strategy. It's a place where your ideas directly shape how brands reach people. Every expert started somewhere. Your journey will be built on small wins, consistent learning, and seeing the results of your efforts in real numbers. Are you ready to begin your career? If not, what's stopping you? Drop your thoughts below, and if this roadmap inspired you, hit subscribe for practical career guides and insider tips. Let's turn your curiosity into skills and your skills into a thriving digital marketing career.